I believe in the world and its bigness and splendor, that most of the hearts beating round us are tender, that days are but footsteps and years are but miles, that lead us to beauty and singing and smiles, that roses that blossom and toilers that plod are filled with the glorious Spirit of God. I believe in the purpose of everything living, that taking is but the forerunner of giving, that strangers are friends that we someday may meet, and not all the bitter can equal the sweet. I believe in the path that today I am treading, that I shall come safe through the dangers and dreading, that even the scoffer shall turn from his ways, and someday be won back to trust and to praise, that the leaf on the tree and the thing we call man are sharing alike in God's infinite plan. I believe that all things that are living and breathing some richness of beauty to earth are bequeathing, that all that goes out of this world leaves behind some duty accomplished for mortals to find, that the humblest of creatures our praise is deserving, for it with the wisest the Master is serving.